lesson number 4, Understanding Windows. In this chapter, we're going to learn about features of Windows 7, number 2, desktop and its objects, number 3, arranging and sorting icons, number 4, changing the desktop background and screensaver, number 5, different shapes of mouse pointer, number 6, how to shut down a computer. So before we start the lesson, let me ask you a question. Children, who manages the household work or does the household work at your home? Yes, you have guessed it right. Your parents looks after the household work in such manner that you don't need to worry about them. It is because they manage or run the household work with a proper system. In the same way, a computer has a set of programs that manages the overall work of computer and makes the computer run. That program is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot start the computer and work on it. So let us see some features of Windows 7. First is, Windows is attractive. It has colorful pictures and themes. It is easy to use and operate. It has an improved search tool. It allows user to work on many programs at the same time. When we switch on the computer, Windows start automatically, and the first screen that appears with level pictures is known as desktop, and the small pictures, level pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. And we use icons to select any folder or documents. Next is Windows taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into 3 main sections: the start button, middle section, and notification area. Start button is at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. The middle section is called quick launch bar, and this area of the taskbar is known as notification area. You can click on the start button. When you click on the start button, a list of options will appear. That list of option is known as start menu. You can use start button to search files and folders, or use help, or shut down the computer. Next is middle section. Middle section is also known as quick launch bar. You can add commonly used programs such as Windows Media or Internet Explorer or Word programs like that. And when you add programs, specific programs on quick launch bar, it will be opened only with one click. The same program, if you want to open the same program from desktop, you need to click twice to open the program. And the last is the notification area. It is present on the right corner of the taskbar. In the notification area, you will see some clocks and icons. Notification area notifies us about the connectivity or battery status, volume, etc. And the extreme right corner of the taskbar has this show desktop button. By the name of it, you can understand that when you click on the show desktop button, it will show the desktop. If any program is running on the computer, it will minimize all the programs running on the computer. When you click on the show button, show desktop button, all the programs will be minimized and it will show the desktop.
We shall learn about the selecting and deselecting the icon. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will be now displayed in its original form. Alright, let us talk about selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Let's click on the first item to be selected. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Now let me tell you about selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key and click once on each of the items to be selected. This way you can select the non-adjacent item. Students, let us understand the steps of opening a program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Let us have a quick view. Press Window key plus D key combination to minimize all open windows. Let us learn how to arrange the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy. Similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. Right-click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. Select the View option. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Now we shall learn about sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Let us talk about the steps of changing the desktop background. You enjoy working with Windows as it is user-friendly. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called Shortcut menu. Select the Personalize option. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on Desktop Background. The Choose Your Desktop Background window with multiple images will appear. Select either one picture for desktop background or select more than one picture to create a slideshow. A preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. After selecting the background, click on Save Changes button and close the dialog box. Let us understand the steps of opening a program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Let us have a quick view. Press Window key plus D key combination to minimize all open windows. Let us talk about the steps of changing the desktop background. You enjoy working with Windows as it is user-friendly. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called Shortcut menu. Select the Personalize option. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on Desktop Background. The Choose Your Desktop Background window with multiple images will appear. Select either one picture for desktop background or select more than one picture to create a slideshow. A preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. After selecting the background, click on Save Changes button and close the dialog box. Now let us understand how to change the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever computer remains idle for a short time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on the screensaver option. The screensaver settings dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow in screensaver section and select screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. To watch the preview on full screen, click on the preview button. Wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Move the mouse to come back to the screensaver window. Set the time in wait box as per your need. Use up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease. Click OK. Let me tell you the steps to shut down your computer. Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now select Shut Down button. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, using help and support, searching files and folders, and much more. Notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar and includes a clock and group of icons. Double-clicking the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item. Screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. Students, let me tell you about mouse pointer shapes. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Busy. It means that computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. For pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. For resizing the window or pictures. Four-headed arrow for moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam for inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।